guys, good evening. Paggabi nandito pero maliwanag pa rin guys sa labas. So, kagigising ko lang. Just can you massage it a little bit more? Just right here. Ayan guys, nagpapamassage ako sa anak ko. Kasi yung dito ko guys, simula nung nagka-influence sa virus ako. Grabe as in, sumasakit yung liig ko. Parang ano ba? Sobrang, ano ba yan? Parang, sobrang tight niya ba? Sabi nga ng nurse sa akin nung ano ako sa emergency room. Sabi niya, bakit daw parang ang ano daw, sobrang tight daw ng liig ko dito, sabi niya. Dito just, oh. Just here. Oh, done. It looked like a veins was a lot of air gas. Kaya tinanggal ko yung damit ko guys, tsaka pinamassage ko sa anak ko. Buti na lang nandito siya. Medyo okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Pero medyo nahihilo pa ako. So, hindi ko sure kung babalik ako ng work bukas. Or maybe on Wednesday, guys. Okay na. It's now 1:27. Mag-update ako sana kanina kasi pumunta ako ng urgent care para sa test ko, guys. Kasi kailangan ko mag-test or mag-flu test before ako babalik ng work bukas. So, thanks God, finally, negative na ako, guys, sa flu. Then, nag-ask na din ako sa nurse, ay sa doctor pala, if pwede pa rin akong makapag-take ng antiviral na medicine. So, sabi niya, wag na daw kasi applicable lang daw yun sa days na meron kang flu. So, sabi niya, mag-ibuprofen na lang daw ako instead ng Tamiflu na tinitake ko few days ago. Parang feel ko, guys, yung hangin dito. So, anyway, ngayon, kakatapos ko lang kumain. Bali, ano na to guys, brunch. Hindi brunch, ano na siya. Kasi after lunch na guys, so gumawa ako ng French toast. Then, yung anak ko, ano din siya, fried ng hotdog. So, we will go to my husband's doctor's appointment guys in a minute. So, ako na mag-drive. I'm very thankful kasi finally guys, okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Pag narinig nyo yung boses ko, medyo ano pa siya, iba yung ano niya ba, yung sound niya, kasi siguro ano na yun, yung tail ba ng flu, parang ganyan. Pero as in totally wala na akong flu guys. So anyway, ayan, thank you so much. Finally back to work na naman tayo for tomorrow. So yung work ko tomorrow is 4 AM until 3 PM guys. So ayan guys, long hours talaga ako until Friday. Kailangan ko habulin yung mga days na hindi ako nag-work kasi nga meron tayong bills. Kailangan natin magbayad ng bills. So, ayan guys, update ko kayo mamaya once na nakarating na kami dun sa aming doctor's appointment. Hello guys! It's Friday afternoon! So, galing kami guys ng Dollar Tree. Bumili kami ng school supply ni Jazz kasi nga yung pasukan nila is next week. Then, ang mahal ng price sa school nila, mga $110 pati yung shipping fee. Eh, ang laki ng na-save namin guys sa Dollar Tree guys.
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
Ayan, iba yung bigay sa akin na ano. Direct.
Head southeast on North Decatur Road. In 600 feet, turn right.
Pinaikot na ako ni Google Map.
Turn right, then turn right.
See?
Tingnan ko ginawa mo. Hindi. Wait.
Paikutin pa niya ako.
Right again. Walmart.
I know.
You have arrived.
Dapat nag-park ko to.
No, I'll would rather to park here. Ayan guys, nakasave kami ng malaki, as in $40 talaga. At nagdagdag pa kami ng mga bilihin namin.
Ay, ma'am. Diyan, oh.
No, I will park closer, Jazz.
Di, rapid ka man, ra. Nagraya pa kita.
Let's see here.
Kakot yung kraka space dyan, no?
I want to park closer. Like right here.
Di, rapid naman to. Mas rapid na
Oh,
dito.
this is for... No, look at this. I want to park closer to the entrance. Just wait. Did we park well? Good. Alright, Jess. Kami guys sa parking area. Gusto ko dito mag-park malapit sa entrance kasi pag doon ang layo. Be careful, Jess, okay? Just wait, Jess. Ayan guys, papasok na kami ng Walmart.
Yes, sir.
Right here. Alright. Gusto niyo sa escalator. Just. Ay man, for me lang tibog ka mo kara. We're here. See that? There's a lot of cart there. Come on, you get one. There's a Popo there. You get one. Popo. Not that one, just that's... I don't like the tire or the wheels. Come on. Alright, let's... Right here. Right here, right here. Guys, naganap na si Jess ng kaniyang parang pwede na rin pang swimming niya. Look at that. I like that red one. See? You like it? That's good. Okay, just put it in the cart. And there's a short here. Look at this. You can also use this for swimming.
Kamay.
Okay, no, just open it. Try to open it. Can you try to open it? It's very small. Okay, come on. Kami nilang clearance, guys.
Gamay naman ito ng bayo.
We will get in Goodwill. Just hold on a second.
Ba, masukan na. Tapos siya sa Goodwill.
Jess, we have to compare the price. Let's look for the short that you can use for swimming too. Right here, Jess, look. Jess.
Kamay.
Right here.
Kamay.
Oh, this one, look, the red. Lagay natin dito. And see? You can pair it there, look. Let's see, let's check the price. Wow, it's expensive.
Bakal.
Alright.
Yeah, bet.
Let's look for... Oh, look at this. This one, Jazz. Just go, guys. Ang mahal, $15. How much is that? Can you check it? That's 12. Okay. You want that? Can you try? Try.
Ang ano nagaling ang problema ay hindi.
Can I see it? Can you try? Try it. You can try it.
Di ko.
Why? No, just... It's okay. Even you're wearing your shorts. It's okay. Just go, Lord. Okay, is that good? Are you sure? Okay. Guys, yung pinakamura na guys yung... Okay. No, we will get that one from Goodwill. No, what I mean is next time. You have to look for your shoes. Come on. Kuha kami guys ng shoes din. Kasi wala ng shoes si Jess. How about that? Because you will wear socks too. Hello? Why there's something like this?
I don't know. That I can find.
No, we just need... Okay, you can get that one, just the black one there.
Oh, maybe just one.
Right guys, pauwi na kami. Kakauwi lang namin, mag 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Magluto pa kami ng dinner. But anyway, it's okay kasi off ko bukas until Sunday. So we're good.
Stink of it. Wait a minute. It's cooking right now.
Oh, excuse me. Alright, you're good now?
Yes.
Alright, we're good to go.
How can you go? Oh. Oh.
So guys, wala akong back camera kaya mano-mano.
So sour.
What are you eating? What are you drinking, I mean?
Slurp.
Alam niyo guys, si Jazz gusto niya yung mga sour. And I don't like it.
And spicy.
Si Jazz sabi niya sumasakit daw yung tiyan niya. Kasi hindi siya nakakain ng 2 hours. 2 hours lang guys, hindi siya nakakain na. Ako kanina, breakfast lang yung kinain ko. Then, hindi ako, siguro nakakain ako ng lunch ko mga 2 o'clock or 3. Tapos si Jess din nag-prepare ng lunch ko. So, we're very tired tonight, guys. Guys, andito na kami ngayon sa bahay. So, mostly yung nabili namin is mga gamit ni Jess sa school. Chicken.
Yeah, it's well, it's not organic. Next time we'll get organic.
So, eto guys yung binili ko.
Certainly this was a critical moment. 50 million views.
Yung mga importante lang talaga. Very important things that we need here at home, especially yung mga school supply ni Jazz.
Kind of pullback from actually debating the vice president from a pre-arranged, pre-agreed to debate. So obviously a big day.
Pinakita sa inyo lahat kasi ang kalat na talaga dito sa kusina. Tsaka nagluluto na din kami ng dinner kasi super late na talaga guys. As in super late. Super late na talaga. So, ayan, ina-arrange ko pa dito lahat ang kalat guys ng kusina. So, bumili din ako nito. Kasi minsan pag pumupunta ako ng work ko, guys, kailangan ko ng maliit na container para lagyan ng baon ko or fresh milk o nagsi-cereal ako, ganyan. Ay! So, ayan. Hugasan natin yan. Ito din. Pero mas gusto ng asawa ko yung glass. So, ayan guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like our video. And see you in our next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye!